Hello everyone, and welcome back to the SNS channel. For today's video, we will show you a new technique on how to apply SNS dipping powder. This technique is called the pour method. This is a sanitary way of application and saves dipping powder. To begin, we will need 2 small disposable plastic cups, which you can purchase at your local beauty distributor in huge bundles. Then, pour a small amount of natural set powder into the cup. Apply gel-less base in a thin line, avoiding the cuticle. Place the empty cup under your nail and pour the natural set over the nail, making sure the powder pours onto your nail and into the cup underneath. Apply a second layer of gel-less base over the whole nail, avoiding the cuticle line. Then repeat the process by placing the empty cup under your nail and pouring the natural set over the nail. Repeat the process on all 10 nails. Now let's get our favorite gel-less dipping powder color and 2 small disposable cups. I'm using gel-less color Bare to Dare 13. Pour a small amount of the gel-less color into one of the cups. Apply gel-less base over the whole nail, avoiding the cuticle line, and repeat the pouring process. You can repeat the process as many times as you need to get the desired color. The more layers you apply, the darker and more pigmented the color will become. Now apply sealer dry on all the nails and wait for them to completely dry. You will know the nail is completely dry by tapping on the nail with a file. If you feel the surface is solid, then you're ready to file and buff. Start out by shaping the nail, then buff the surface. Wash your hands without soap. Apply a second layer of sealer dry and wait for it to completely dry. Now apply a gel top over the whole nail, wait for it to dry, and then apply a second coat. Wait for the second layer to dry. And now you're ready for the vitamin oil. Apply the vitamin oil on the cuticle to complete the manicure. There it is, the pour method. Quick and easy. Make sure to throw away the used cups and never to use the same cups between clients. This is the best and most sanitary way of dip application. Let us know if you have any questions and comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, bye!